Hello friends, today we will see the second part of the Nithya Menen portrait drawing with charcoal. So let's start the drawing. First of all, I quickly tell you the material which I have used. Soft charcoal pencil, white charcoal pencil, Tombow mono eraser, paper stamp, charcoal stick and charcoal powder. First, make the outline of the facial features such as eyes, nose, ears, lips by soft charcoal pencil. Then with a soft hand, make a shading around the eyes. First, always try to cover the light shading part and slowly move to the dark shading part. Whenever you want to smooth the surface, you can use the paper stamp or a tissue paper. Use paper stamp for a small shading area, and when there is a big area, then you can use the tissue paper. Now just you need to repeat this process. Make a shading with charcoal pencil and smudge it by paper stamp. If you have not seen the first part of this drawing, I have kept that link in an I button. You can check it out. Keep reference picture besides. Observe carefully and according to that, make the shading. For hair, I am using the charcoal stick because the charcoal stick is more darker than pencil. First I fill the hair area with stick and smudge it with a tissue paper. Now I am going to make a little bit dark background. We will keep the dark to light shade, so it will look like the artistic poster effect. So don't forget to apply the fixative spray all over the drawing so it will get protected from the dust and the fading. So here it is, the final look of the artwork. For more amazing art videos, subscribe my channel and get a notification of each and every video. I'm coming back with a new interesting art topic very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.